This is a Completo Italiano. It's a $1 Chilean hot dog that'll do more than pique the interest of your taste buds. Yup, it's Chilean. It just takes its name from the colors on the Italian flag. Green is for mashed avocados, red for chopped tomatoes, and white for mayonnaise.
Okay, fine, give me the hot dog.
And this is Nasi lemak. More specifically, Nasi lemak ayam goreng, which means coconut rice with fried chicken. It's one of the most popular dishes across Asia in Malay cuisine. How much do you think it costs? Exactly, also $1. Let's find out which dish gives the most value for $1. After all, there's nothing better than eating something tasty and super cheap. And that's why we're talking about $1 street food from around the world. Jajangmyeon. Oh yes, Korean black bean noodles with pieces of pork. At first, they may not cause any excitement, but wait until you try it. The highlight of this dish is its fermented black bean sauce made from deep-fried soybeans and caramel. Yes, please. The color of the dish has become a symbol of South Korea's Black Day, when single people get together every April 14th to mourn their loneliness while eating noodles. That's funny, I do the same. Rou Fan. It means braised pork rice, and the name speaks for itself. This Taiwanese dish is a bowl of steamed rice with fatty pork braised in a soy-based sauce with aromatic spices. It's served with sides like soy eggs, tofu, or stir-fried vegetables. Spring rolls. No, these are not relatives of Japanese sushi rolls, as some people think. Spring rolls are one of the world's best-known Vietnamese street foods. They're wrapped in rice paper with all sorts of fillings, from meat and seafood to vegetables that can be fried or fresh. Supplì. Many people confuse this dish from Rome with Sicilian arancini, but the difference between these two is historical as well as ingredient-based. Supplì are elongated rice balls with a cylindrical shape, mozzarella topping, dipped in egg, breaded, and fried. I'll take 500 of those. Guisados. You can find tacos in many countries, but for an authentic experience, you need to come to Mexico. Taco de guisado is one variety featuring fillings like pork, beans, and potatoes. Mexico City's tiny Tacos Ola restaurant has 21 different options just for 97 cents each. Road trip to Mexico. Samosas. This is one of the traditional pastries in India that has gained popularity all around the world. They're triangular in shape and have meat or vegetarian filling. You can get 4 samosas for the ridiculously low price of 13 cents, and they're typically fried fresh for you. Bubur Ayam. I know that's not me talking like Yoda. This is Indonesia's favorite breakfast dish made from rice with a piece of chicken and served with chopped green onions, fried shallots, and crushed peanuts. Many chicken porridge vendors travel through the streets of residential areas every morning so everybody can get a great meal to start their day. Momos. These are everyone's favorite steamed or fried dumplings filled with meat or vegetables. They're the preferred meal choice in much of Nepal, Tibet, and Bhutan, and you can have 5 of them for as little as $1. The sizes may differ depending on where you are, but no matter what, they're always tasty. Falafel. It can sometimes taste like mashed potatoes mixed with peas, but in reality, Palestinians use chickpeas and parsley. It's flavored with spices, which makes it a good source of plant-based protein. Street food markets often serve 2 falafels wrapped in a pita next to French fries and cucumbers. Pastizz. This miniature savory puff pastry is filled with peas, ricotta, and anchovies. It's a well-known and very popular Maltese dish that is regularly served both as an appetizer or as a snack. And if you get enough of them, you can make a meal out of it. And for dessert, we prepared for you the sugar bomb, stuffed churro. You can find churros on the streets of Cuba. Usually they're made from flour, milk, and butter, but this one is also filled with condensed milk. The perfect combination for the perfect goodie. Which of our featured dishes do you think is the biggest bang for your buck? Based on the price and the amount per serving, it's probably Bubur Ayam. Want to learn more about the most extreme foods out there? Find out everything you need to know on the next episode of Origins of Food.